How to change your personal information on Avant.com. First of all, open your web browser and visit the official Avant website. Log into your Avant account with your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the Profile or Account Settings section. This is where your personal information is stored. Click on the option to Edit Profile or Update Personal Information. Here you can update details such as your name, address, phone number, email address, and other personal data. Make sure to enter the correct and up-to-date information to avoid any issues with your account. After making your changes, review everything carefully and then click Save or Update to apply the changes. You may be asked to verify some changes via email or phone for security purposes. Once updated, your new information will be saved on Avant.com and used for your loan management and communication. Now you know how to change your personal information on Avant.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.